What's up, guys?
Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews.
George, aka Barnacules, and today we're going to be surprising my son's nerd block.
Here we go, let's put some kitten fabric over this bad boy.
Alright, let's go. Be careful.
I'm not going to be careful, Daddy.
Let's go ahead and pull. Let's keep pulling. What is that?
Daddy, I wanted a cool PC like you and not this Switch crap.
What do you think that is?
I swim!
Swim. Okay, tell everybody how happy you are.
I want to die.
So I'm gonna tell you guys.
To die.
So you gotta say what you're doing. I'm gonna show you how to be a professional YouTuber. Tell them what you're doing.
Well, I'm just unboxing this. Here is one. Here's a charger, and here's another charger. Here is like a charger. So this is the charger.
I am Proto. Your security is my motto. Install me on your computer to protect your data better. With
Okay, ready? Oh!
I am Proto.
I want to die.
Hi everyone, it's Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews.